Mein erstes Motorrad habe ich bekommen, da war ich 6 Jahre alt. Ich lasse meinen Alltag hinter mir, wenn ich auf der Maschine sitze und fühle mich dann vollkommen frei. Ich bin nur ich und die Maschine. Wenn ich an Ducati denke, dann wird mein Herzschlag schon schneller. Es war für mich immer ein Traum, eine Ducati fahren zu dürfen.
Ducati is one of the world's leading premium brands. With 54,000 deliveries, the company achieved a new record in 2015. Workmanship and passion for the product form the underpinnings of the success story spanning 90 years. And this is precisely what makes Ducati so special in the eyes of its employees and customers. Alf Trissner from Munich is collecting his new motorcycle from Ducati's headquarters in Borgo Panigale. After all, true passion calls for nothing less. It is not possible to earn any money from emotions alone. This is why Ducati is going with the times. The legendary motorcycle company has completed the digital transformation of its development department. Passion and software from Siemens. Where else could such a partnership be forged than in Italy?
Digitalization will allow our product to be more and more connected. In the bike, of course, there are a lot of software. The one used to manage the engine and other software are, for example, the one to manage the ABS system, the traction control. Also the dashboard itself has inside a built-in software because we have an advanced dashboard that gives the driver a lot of information.
Software is found not just in Ducati motorcycles. Digital transformation has fundamentally changed the innovation process at Ducati.
Let me show you how your bike was designed. This is the 3D assembly of your bike. As you see, all the parts are modeled in 3D. Our development process is fully digitalized. We use these 3D models also for virtual testing in order to reduce the number of physical testing that we do during the full development. So this is the 3D model of a hypermotard, and this is the so-called clinic model, which is a maquette used to have a final approval of a project by the board of management. We start from an optical scan of a clay model built by our designer by hand, and starting from these surfaces we build the 3D models that we use first for virtual testing and then to build the toolings that will be used to manufacture the part of our bike. From this approval we can finally design all the parts of the bike, and this is the new Hypermotard 939 SP, which is, as you know, the most sportive version of a Hypermotard. Before digitalization, the development process was more a serial rather than parallel process. Now we are more efficient because we can work simultaneously on the bike from various points of view, taking into account all the different constraints and avoiding mistakes or rework.
The success speaks for itself. Time to market has been cut from almost 40 months to just under 24. Ducati is able to update its existing range annually. Accessories and new models are now launched simultaneously.
It was not so easy to imagine that in 15 years the way in which we were working would have changed so much due to digitalization. But now we see that only using digitalization we can follow the increased complexity of our products and manage the development time of our new products in an efficient way in order to provide the customer with new products, with new functionalities and new values for the customer.
Ducati is linking the digital development process with the craftsmanship of its employees in the production of its motorcycles. This is because the fact that a large part of the motorcycle is assembled by hand forms part of the Ducati legend. Day by day, roughly 400 motorcycles leave the production hall in Borgo Panigale, where two-wheel dreams have been made since 1948.